Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best extension kit is probably one of the most essential investments you can make if you're serious about achieving gorgeous, long-lasting hair extensions. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right tools can mean the difference between a flawless look and a frustrating experience. This video will guide you through the must-have tools for successful hair extension application, ensuring you achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home, saving you time and money. Number 5. Hair Extension Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for perfect hair extensions. It's designed for ease of use and professional results. The kit includes a crochet needle, beading wire, and 2 pliers, all crafted from durable steel. These tools are perfect for microlink and bead hair extensions. Whether you're a stylist or doing it yourself, it ensures proper installation and safe removal of microlinks, tinsel, and feathers. It's efficient and easy to use. The remover pliers feature a specially designed tip for easy opening of micro rings. The comfortable, non-slip grip saves you time and effort. This kit is conveniently packaged for travel. Now you can achieve salon-quality hair extensions at home, saving you money and time. With this kit, achieving beautiful, long-lasting hair extensions is easier than ever. Enjoy professional results from the comfort of your own home. What we like. This kit boasts a durable steel build and focuses on efficient removal. If you're a professional stylist prioritizing speed and precision for your clients, or if you need a reliable tool for removing extensions, this is the perfect choice. Its compact size is also great for on-the-go use. What people say. This set of tools is perfect for installing any type of hair extensions, tape-in, sew-in, or bead extensions. The tools are durable and well-made, and easy to use. I love these because the pliers are petite enough to be comfortable in my hand when used for a long period. They don't smell of cheap metal even after use for a while. I don't use many of the tools inside, but the extension clamp that tightens and loosens the beads is great, durable and sturdy. It was worth it just for that tool. Doesn't hurt when you're clamping extensions all day. Number 4. Silicone Micro Ring Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for perfect micro ring hair extensions. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting results. The pliers are made from durable stainless steel, while the crochet hook features a comfortable plastic handle. The micro rings themselves are a lightweight and safe blend of aluminum and silicone. Applying micro rings has never been easier. The kit includes specialized tools to make the process quick and efficient. You'll receive 200 micro rings for pulling needles, and a pair of professional-grade pliers, everything you need to transform your look. Each silicone micro ring measures 5.0 by 3.0 by 3.0 millimeters for a secure and comfortable fit. They're designed to blend seamlessly with your hair. These tools are built to last. They're designed for repeated use and will help you maintain your beautiful extensions for a long time. What we like. This kit provides a large quantity of rings and comfortable tools. If you frequently apply micro ring extensions and need a cost-effective solution with many replacement rings, or if you value comfort during extended use, this kit is for you. It's ideal for those who prefer a comfortable and long-lasting toolset. What people say. Good quality tools. Especially the pliers. Easy to use, and my hair turned out great. I didn't want to pay hundreds for someone else to install my extensions, so I did it myself, and I'm very happy with the results. The loop tools and beads are top-notch. The beads came lined, which will allow the extensions to last longer and not fall out. Number 3. EHDIS Beading Tool Kit. This kit has everything you need to install and remove micro ring hair extensions at home. It's easy to use and saves you money on salon visits. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these pliers securely close all sizes of beads, links, and micro rings. They're designed for a comfortable and efficient application. These specialized pliers make removing hair extensions a breeze. They open the rings easily without damaging your hair, saving you time and effort. This tool is perfect for working with micro beads and tubes. Its comfortable handle makes installation quick and easy. These handy clips are great for styling, coloring, or even just keeping your hair out of your face. They're strong enough to hold any hair type. With this complete kit, you can achieve professional-looking hair extensions from the comfort of your own home. Enjoy beautiful, long hair without the salon expense. What we like. Made from high-quality surgical steel, it ensures longevity and precision. If you value superior quality and ease of use, or if you need versatile styling clips for various hair tasks, this kit is a great investment. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who want reliable, long-lasting tools. What people say. Perfect for nano hair extensions or I-tip. Great price, high-quality instruments that made it easy for me to do a reinstall on my own, which saved me and time at the salon. I can raise my extensions myself in between visits. I could easily use them on others. De bon outils fiable et facile à magner. Bon qualité, les penses pour les chevaux sont de bonne qualité et durable. Number 2. Hair Extension Kit. This kit has everything you need to add extensions. It includes rings, pliers, needles, and more. The pliers have a comfortable grip and the needles are lightweight for easy handling. You'll be adding extensions in no time. Perfect for home use or professional stylists. It's great for various hairstyles and occasions. It comes with 200 micro rings in black, beige, and brown. The soft silicone lining is gentle on your hair. Give the gift of beautiful hair. This complete kit makes a thoughtful present for friends and family. This kit contains 600 silicone-lined micro rings, pliers, needles, clips, a comb, thread, and rubber bands. You're all set. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide array of tools and a large number of rings in various colors. If you need a complete solution for all your hair extension needs, or if you are a beginner and want a kit with everything included, this is the best option. It's perfect for those who want convenience and variety. What people say. This kit quite literally has everything you will need in order to sew in your hair. The beads are comfortable, the pliers work well, the color matches for the beads threads are nice and the clips also work really well and actually grip unlike most clips. Everything you would need to do you in home see in hair extensions. I like that it gives you choices on the beads to best match your root color. This kit comes with plenty of extras in case you misplace something. Literally brings absolutely everything needed for the task. Everything else is perfect for a braidless install. Number 1. Orgrimmar Hair Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit makes adding hair extensions quick and easy. It includes everything you need for a professional-looking result. It features 2 types of pulling needles, designed to work seamlessly with micro rings, catering to your specific needs and preferences. The curved head on the pliers makes it easy to grip and maneuver micro rings, ensuring a smooth and efficient application process. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for both home and professional use. You can take it anywhere with ease. The silicone rings hold your hair securely without causing damage. Change your hairstyle quickly and effortlessly. This kit is perfect for various hairstyles, providing a professional finish every time. It's the perfect tool for achieving your dream look. What we like. This kit offers a large quantity of rings and lightweight, easy-to-use tools. If you are a professional stylist or frequently work with hair extensions and need a lightweight yet durable set, or if you value ease of use and efficiency, this kit is perfect for you. It's designed for speed and convenience. What people say. Everything you need is in the package. Easy to use. Takes about 2 minutes to add to hair. The little holders seem good quality, they will hold the feathers even with frequent bathing and water play without problems. They last 10 to 12 weeks or until I'm ready to change colors for a holiday or season. I usually do a mix of 3 colors and the fasteners hold all with no problem. All the tools are included, circular fasteners a lot included, small curved needle nose pliers, hook to pull hair through and an oval wire tool with a handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.